From
the Spanish capital for the UEFA Champions League final. My name is Derek Ray. My co-commentator to help describe all the action is, of course, Lee Dixon. And we're fast approaching kick-off time here at the magnificent Estadio Metropolitano. It is Manchester United taking on Liverpool.
Good evening. What a pleasure it is to be here with you, Derek. Sitting over this magnificent stadium with arguably the best two teams, well, obviously the best two teams in this competition this year because they're in the final. And what a final we've got. The pitch looks fantastic. The crowd are expectant. There's the trophy just sitting there. The players in the tunnel just about to do what they do best, go out and play and entertain us.
Back in the old days of this competition, no English team prospered more.
Yeah.
And Liverpool
are one of the best teams in this competition of all times. Who will forget that final against Milan? Can they repeat that tonight?
Hughes will line up for Manchester United. The formidable David De Gea starts in goal. Ander Herrera starts alongside Paul Pogba in central midfield. And up front, Marcus Rashford starts alongside Romelu Lukaku. So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Joel Matip in central defence. And they're pinning their hopes in attack on two strikers this evening. Nemanja Matic has it. Rashford. Pogba. Lukaku. Shaw. Pogba. Not a very complicated catch for the keeper. Here's Keita. Fabinho now. Matip now. Naby Keita. Here's Keita. Now it's on nights like these, Lee, covering Manchester United when you think back to all the greats who played for the club in Europe. Bobby Charlton, Dennis Law, George Best, Roy Keane, the list goes on.
Well, absolutely. I think there's certain brands around the world you could say literally in every corner of the world of people that know what you're talking about. And Manchester United is one of those.
Now Mo Salah. And Firmino. Here's Robertson. Here's Keita. It's with Fabinho. It's a highly promising Liverpool attack. But will there be an end product? Diogo Dalot. Anthony Martial. Here's Luke Shaw. Given away by Manchester United. Liverpool free kick coming up. Fabinho now. Shaqiri. Alexander Arnold. It's with Fabinho. Given away by Pogba. Naby Keita. And Mane. And Fabinho.
Down.
Is he going to punish them here? Alexander Arnold has it. Liverpool obsessed with finding a forward gear. What can they do from this position? Pogba. Fabinho. Alexander Arnold. Naby Keita. And Fabinho. Roberto Firmino. Keita. Mohamed Salah now. Can he make this move count? Fabinho. And Firmino. Can they get themselves in front here? It's going to be a goal kick here.
Okay, أتينا. جوز جدي. هذا لا خياري هاي نلا صعد هاي. والله هاي لك أضيق هاي ولا ودقيه هاي. لو بجدينا وبلاها.
بوجسنا.
من المرسي حكومة ترتاح من سأتكي.
يلا بسرعة لكن هو
واك ساتكي هاكودي لانيو جلاع بقى يقدر فنيو مجسر محاوقات هذا دي دونتني ها واكن أنيك أوديك هاي
Intuition.
مرسيلة وفر وحكة لا وفر إلا هاد لما هاي
Continue to advance. Will they be able to convert? Well, the clearance half-hearted. Given away by Manchester United. Liverpool corner given. Roberto Firmino. Naby Keita. Well, it's superbly to take back possession. And that signals the end. Into the second half then, in this battle for Champions League glory. Naby Keita. It's with Roberto Firmino. Pogba. Diogo Dalot. And they'll have to throw it back in play. Here's Robertson. Fabinho now. Salah. Carrying it. And oh, a chance to follow them ahead here. It's still alive. Just wanted to get it out of there. Untidy. Matic. Oh, he's knocking on the door. And on the basis of that effort, quite clearly, he's not wearing his shooting boots at the moment.
Well, it was a strong effort, used his laces, but screwed it well off target.
Ander Herrera. Roberto Firmino. Fabinho now. It's a highly promising Liverpool attack, but will there be an end product? And they've got it away. Give it away. And the goalkeeper covered a lot of ground to push
يي
that.
أنا وصعد ولا دو
Decided to come in from the flank. Betwixt and between that clearance. Element of risk there, and he's won the ball. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Given away by Manchester United. Clattered away. Alexander Arnold. Xherdan Shaqiri has it. Naby Keita. Lindelof. Ander
Lindelof.
Herrera.
عرارة
Here's Keita. This is Salah. Lukaku. Nemanja Matic has it.
أنا من لقاكم
Diogo Dalot. The tackle crisp and accurate. Paul Pogba. Smalling. So just to be a throw-in. Here's Robertson. Naby Keita. Diogo Dalot. Ander Herrera. And the throw-in forthcoming. Andrew Robertson. Here's Keita. Paul Pogba. Diogo Dalot. Romelu Lukaku now. Ander Herrera. Ander Herrera with that lovely pass. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Ander Herrera. Paul Pogba. It's with Fabinho. This is Salah. Just 10 minutes to go. Naby Keita. Naby Keita. And Mane. Sensational goalkeeping from David De Gea.
رسايا والله رسايا.
Corner awarded as they attempt to notch in front. Corner kick played over. Just couldn't capitalise there. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Tremendous block. And the corner for Liverpool. And over comes the corner. A magnificent save to keep the game level.
Well, the chance
طيب،
to
واضح
win the match,
مو
what a save from the goalkeeper.
Crossing possibilities. Well, let's see, does he mean business? Liverpool couldn't keep it. Rashford.
Well, still all square, and it's all the keeper's doing.
والله فان دايم مدحوك ووحونا إلا هذا الحلقة.
Here's Robertson. We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. And take it away from Salah. That is that after 90.
بس أتكسر.
ما فيش دواء.
بس أتكسر والله.
هذا ضرب حق جروح. بس كان بدوي.
قاعد بدو.
أطب درهم.
ساشن الدورنا. أنت تورني معنا.
أوكي.
أنا قال بحالك هذا خدوم بدلا فرصة.
The first period of extra time.
هيا غير يوم جدينا ولا لك سحبك يا وساتكي هو الله هذا. عيارة الله دي وريس الله في هذا مقرط. وكان الله سعد على الله.
Shaw. Given away by Pogba.
روزا هذا.
Showing us to the referee in terms of what to do next.
جرب.
The referee has deemed that to be a criminal offence.
Absolutely, agree with that one.
يصير ولا لا؟
سيكو
As
اركب.
I say, that wasn't a high quality free kick.
No, practice makes
James
perfect.
Miller.
I think he's had a week off.
Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Pogba has it. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Routine, really. Liverpool throw-in here. Milner. Wijnaldum. Origi. Here's Robertson. Going through Mane. Pogba has it. The electronic board has been held aloft. 2 additional minutes here. And the first period of
ها.
هاي سلمون.
يا.
سعدها زو صعدوا. إنهم كانوا جيراني وهو.
وسعينها فرعها.
can they overcome tired legs? It's the second period of extra time underway now. Wijnaldum now. Milner robbed of it. Pogba has it. Here's Luke Shaw. Pogba. Anthony Martial. Diogo Dalot. Smalling. Has it on the ball. They really had to be on their toes defensively, given the circumstances.
أنا بيجوا بعضهم.
يا.
أنا بيجوا بعضهم.
Ander Herrera. Given away by minutes left of the second period of extra time. If nothing changes, it will be decided by means of a penalty shootout. Salah! The post and back in play.
Yay waa bilaawat wallah.
Well, I said to you, Derek, we're going to get some late drama. So lucky not to take the lead there.
Well, we had to read it and get there, and did. And the counter-attack is on, options available. Carrying a genuine threat here, manoeuvring his way forward. Wonderful block. And this can make certain for them. Well, body in the way. Will there be a tangible end product? After 120...
Murat.
Yes.